Now, when you're trading meme coins, you probably see new meme coins being made every few seconds, and you might have wondered, how do people create them and where do they come from? So in this video, we're going to be breaking down how you can launch your own meme coin. Now, you don't need any coding skills, any developing skills, any backend for this. Again, it's a very easy process, and I'm going to be taking you guys through this whole process in this video. So before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen on Axiom Pro, and if you're not on Axiom Pro, this is the best Solana trading platform out there. Again, do make sure to check it out from the link down in the description. You could get a 10% off in fees if you click the link down in the description and join Axiom Pro. So when you're on Axiom, when you have signed up, again, I have a total video on how you could sign up on Axiom as well. But when you're on Axiom Pro, head over to the pulse section and you'll be on this screen. If you're trading meme coins before, this might look familiar. And again, with the basic layout, new pairs, final strats, and migrated, it might be named differently, but they have the same kind of concept. Just very fresh coins, somewhat traction, and coins that have migrated. So the thing we're going to be focusing on today is new pairs. You can see these new pairs being made every few seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever, 0 seconds, right? Very fresh coins. And you might be wondering, like, how do people create them? How do you actually go about making your own coin, naming it, whatever? So to actually create your own coin and for it to show up on new pairs, we're gonna go to pump.fun. Again, there's many ways you could actually make your own coin. So once you land on pump.fun, you'll be on this screen most likely. So to actually start making your own meme coin, click the login from the top right. It should be right here, and then go ahead and connect your wallet, whether it's Phantom, Trust Wallet, or whatever, right? Connect your own wallet and you'll be greeted on the home screen. So the thing you want to do to actually see to actually create your coin is click this create coin button, right? Very easy. On the top right, click the create coin and you'll be taken to this screen. Now this is the screen where you do most of the work of creating the coin. This is literally almost all the work that you will do. Coin name, ticker, description, social, coin image, and that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do to create your own meme coin and for it to show up and for it to be tradable on the blockchain on any Solana trading platform like Axiom. So let's just take a quick look at what the meta is looking like, seeing if we could make a similar meme coin. So WC World Computer migrated, we see some anime type of thing going on right now. White seal, white world whale. So we see some kind of anime thing going on right now. So we might as well make like a white like polar bear, something anime polar bear. So let's look that up. So based on the current meta, I feel like this would be a really good image to go with. So we're just gonna go ahead and save this image and drag it over to our coin creation. And here we have dragged and dropped it. So we're just gonna name it white bear, and the ticker is also gonna be white bear. I switched it up. So the coin name is basically what's on the right side of this coin, and this ticker is what's on the left side of this coin. I know it gets a little confusing because it's switched up, but again, we could go ahead and do that. So we'll name it the white bear, right? And no description. We don't have any socials. Now I'll put in a random like Wikipedia link for a white bear or whatever, right? Again, I'm just showing you guys the basic steps. You if you want, you could put all your work into creating the meme coin, creating a community coin, creating a profile, whatever, right? Go ahead, do what you want. I'm just showing you guys the basic steps, how you could go about actually creating and launching your own meme coin. Again, you could do the, like, if you see like community coins or profile coins, you could go ahead and create that and link it to this. But again, I'm just showing you guys the coin creation process. So once you have everything set and We could see coin name, ticker. Oh, actually I had a typo right there, but again, white bear. We could go ahead and change that, and then we have a link going. We have token image. I feel like it looks really sick. So again, once you have everything ready and set to go, click this create coin right now. So click the create coin and you'll be taken to this screen. Basically, how much of the coin do you want to buy as a developer? Now, you don't have to buy your own coin. Again, if you want to make money, you should have some kind of holding in your own coin. So for this example, I'm just putting in like 0.1 SOL just to show you guys how it would work. So again, select how much SOL you actually want to buy into this coin, and then the final step here is to click this create coin button. Once you click this coin, your token will be launched and it will be tradable on any platform. So we'll go ahead and click this coin right here, create coin, right? And then it'll do its thing. It'll launch the coin, whatever, right? Executing transaction. Go ahead and confirm the transaction, and we could go ahead and confirm that right here. And then your coin is launched. If we go ahead to Axiom, we could see we have our token live and tradable actually on the chain right now. If we go back to pump, we could view our token from pumped out fund right here. We could see we have our $4,000 liquidity pool, and we have one holder that sniped our coin. Again, not too crazy, but it's just there. So this our token is live. People can trade into it. Again, we didn't put much effort into this coin, but if you do put in more effort, like creating a community, creating a profile, creating a website, whatever, right, you'll obviously have more traction to the coin because you have a stronger back end again. So that's basically how you could launch your own meme coin. And see, there's not too many steps. You just have to follow the steps that I told you in this video. Again, very, very simple. And once you have some traction on this coin, if you want to sell whatever, right, 50%, 100% of whatever your thing is, you could go ahead and select your percentage you want to sell. Let's, for example, I'm going to sell all coins I'm holding 100%, and just click sell. This you will see 0.097, again a little for the feeds, whatever, right? You'll see how much balance you are selling. Go ahead and click the sell button and confirm the transaction right here too, and then you'll get your money back to your wallet. So again, a very simple and straightforward process to creating a coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, I took you guys on a total overview how you could go ahead and create and launch your own meme coin. Again, very, very simple process. You could go ahead and follow every step in this video. Again, you could also put in more effort, like creating a community or creating a whole profile based on your coin. Again, you'll most likely get more traction using those ways, because a lot of the meme coins that actually do good have like some kind of backup to them, community profile, or like a tweet or anything, right? You could put in more effort into making your meme coin, which you're way more likely to gain more traction, and you'll make more profit basically. So that's totally up to your liking. So if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.